Nan Babo Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, we will witness the unveiling of the all-new Honda City and Honda Brio dito sa may Honda Cars Pampanga.
Guys, if you're interested to know more about this event and of course, yung sa mga items natin, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Honda Brio!
So that was Honda Brio. So next naman natin ngayong City. So this is it. Ito yung actually if you're not to ask, no, isa sa mga unang gusto kong magkasasakyan way back when natuto mag-drive Honda City. Dahil una, fuel efficiency. Yun yung unang-una kong naisip noon. But aside from that, nag-evolve na siya. Aside from the fuel efficiency, sobrang stylish ng mga ganitong sasakyan. So once again guys, kasama natin si Sir CJ to help us know more about the features and of course how to avail yung all-new Honda City at saka si Brio. Sir, pakilala lang tayo. What do you do here?
I'm Christopher Herrera. I'm a sales executive here at Honda Cars Pampanga.
Alright, sige na natin. Igutan na natin si Honda City. Sir, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano yung RS?
It means road sailing, sir.
Road sailing.
Road sailing.
Alright.
We're finally excited to show you our newest model of City. Sa 2024 City. And maraming changes po ang nangyari sa kanya. And lalo na for safety features, ito po yung pasok sa taste natin talaga. As you can see po, more on aggressive looks ang ginawa nila for the latest model.
Yes.
When it comes to the front bumpers, may mga parang silhouette tayo na parang ngayon lang lumabas for this specific model. And ang pinaka maganda, Sir Louie, na ginawa sa mga line of cities natin, all Honda cities are equipped with Honda Sensing.
Honda Sensing.
From base model up to the top
Oh,
of the
really?
line.
Basta
Yeah.
2024, ano?
Yes, sir. Tama po
Beyond,
yan.
okay.
First, we'll start with yung Honda Sensing feature natin. Pinaka gusto ko rin po dito, yung tinatawag na collision mitigation
Yes.
braking system.
Yes. I think I remember that. Yung para
Yun
sa
nga.
harap na, di ba?
Yes, sir. Lalo na yung sensors natin nandito up front. Ang purpose kasi niya, for example, you're tumatakbo ka sa daan, and then biglang nag-sudden stop yung vehicle up front. Minsan kasi may tendency na hindi natin ma-anticipate yung braking power. Yun, dun papasok si Honda Sensing natin to give you assistance. Like
Yes.
60 to 70% ng braking power, mafe-feel nyo.
So that's just one, di ba?
That's just one feature pa lang, sir, ng Honda Sensing natin.
Ang dami pa. How about for our, dito sa dashboard natin? What's upgraded? What's new?
Yun, sir. For the newest City natin, makikita nyo yung accents niya. Nagkaroon siya ng red dito sa dashboard.
Okay. So ito yung mga, mga accent. Okay.
Yes.
How about dito sa, monitor natin, sir?
Ayan po. Actually, yung previous model, compared with the previous model, this new City is Apple CarPlay naman sila parehas.
Okay.
Pero ang pinagkaiba ng bago natin ngayon is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na siya.
Oh, okay. For yung, for reverse or turning right or left, may mga feature ba tayo for that?
Yes, sir. Buti po, na-mention niya, Sir Louie. Actually, yung reverse camera natin,
Yes.
mas pinataas na nila yung resolution. Ayan. As per the reverse camera, you can see yung resolution niya, mas visible siya compared with the previous model.
So this one, checking your surrounding, sa likod muna yung nakuha niya or even sa side?
Yun, meron po kayong 3 options, Sir Louie.
Okay.
Meron tayong standard angle, ayan.
Okay.
And then meron tayo, for example, nagpa-parallel park ka or
Yes.
if medyo alanganin ka sa atrasan mong pader o poste, ayan.
Oh, so
For the City models, for the RS and V, we have the rear air conditioner with
yes, I
vents po
saw
dito.
it here. Okay.
So yun, if comfort, long distance travel, hindi lang po kayo mapepreskuhan kasi nasa harap yung AC natin.
Correct.
Even your passengers.
Okay. Ano po ba yung natin? Kilometer per liter?
Dun sa latest parang test ni Honda, sir, nag-range siya ng 22 to 23 kilometers per liter.
Wow!
Yes, sir. Road conditions,
Correct.
driving habit, and load conditions. Yan po yung magiging factors dun sa magiging fuel economy natin.
But in an ideal, yun na yun, 22 kilometers.
Yes, sir. Correct po.
Solid. Para ka rin
Nakamotor, sir.
Okay. So, lipat tayo sa Brio naman.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
There. So, Sir CJ, this time, this is our Brio. For the colors, ano yung available natin?
Actually, may lumabas tayong bagong color, which is this one, specifically for the RS, which we call electric lime green. We still have the Phoenix orange,
Okay.
and then may bago tayong lumabas,
Okay.
Stellar Pearl.
Okay. Alright. So, for this one, Mark is gonna help me. So, siya naman yung mag-interview kay Sir CJ.
Nakita natin kung ano yung kagandahan ng City RS. So ngayon naman, ito yung Brio naman. So sir, give me an idea kung ilang seater yung pwede sa Brio.
Actually, it's actually 4-seater capacity, pero up to 5 maximum kayang-kaya pa rin natin.
Pwede.
Pwede pa rin.
Okay, tingnan natin ang Brio sa loob. Ayan. Ang Brio, sir, is more on the compact side siya, di ba?
Yes, sir. Correct. It's more on a small compact hatchback.
Small compact hatchback. At the same time, sir, when it comes sa engine, sir, ano po ba yung engine ng Brio ngayon?
As for our Brio models, we have the 1.2-liter engine mated with CVT transmission. It has 89 horsepower with 110 Nm of torque. Kung may isip nyo, sir, for a small compact hatchback, 4-cylinder engine po siya. Technically, you're driving a full-size sedan, pero mas fuel efficient kasi power-to-weight ratio, sir, yun, nagiging factor din siya.
Actually, isa sa mga iniisip natin ngayon as a buyer is kung matipid ba siya. I think Brio is one of the best choice kung kayo yung nagsastart ng magkaroon ng sasakyan.
Lalo na for the Brio itself, it's easy to drive with when it comes to parking. And syempre, number one dyan ang mga hinahabol ng mga customers natin kung gaano siya katipid sa gas. Lumabas sa kanyang reading is umabot siya ng 19 to 20 kilometers per liter.
Wow! So malayo-layo na rin. So to give you an idea, so ang 50 pesos or 52 pesos, kaya niyang abutin hanggang 19 to 20 kilometers. Ganun na rin kalayo.
That's correct, sir.
Wow! So sobrang tipid nga siya. So anything highlights sa Brio natin, sir? Ano po yung mga pinagbago niya and mga upgrades?
Ayun, sir. Before kasi, for our Brio models, wala pang illumination yung sa mga gear selectors niya. Ngayon, nag-illuminate na siya. So, less hassle for the driver, lalo na pag gabi, makikita mo kung saan kakakambyo or mag-shift. And as for the head unit, ayan sir, we have the head unit na Kenwood, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto na rin.
Oh, so anything na it's either Apple or Android. We can connect on our head unit natin.
Sure.
So let's talk about naman yung nila, compartment capacity. So dito sa Brio, syempre meron siya, since hatchback nga siya, so meron siyang compartment dito. So gano yung load na kaya niyang dito sir, i-occupy?
For this one, habang nakataas yung rear seats natin, kaya niya up to 258 liters of space. But if we will fold this one, lalo na pag may long cargo po kayo, Sir Mark, ayan, kaya niya hanggang 710 liters of
So
space.
napakalaki na rin ng space niya.
Yes, sir, true.
Brio. Even though maliit siya, yung load capacity niya, napakalaki na rin. So let's talk about the price naman, sir. So for a Brio, how much yung starting price niya?
It starts at 735.
For the city naman,
It starts at 973.
973. So actually, personally, kung nagsa-start kayo ng magkaroon ng sasakyan, Brio is one of the good choice. And syempre, kung may added budget naman kayo, sa city naman.
Ayun, thank you Sir Mark. If you have inquiries regarding our newest models, lalo na for the Brio and City, please free to reach us out here at Honda Cars Pampanga. Just in San Agustin, San Fernando. Pwede nyo rin po akong hanapin or Christopher Herrera.
My new baby.
Alright, so that's it guys. Congratulations Honda Cars Pampanga. Guys, isa na namang aabangan natin to. The all-new Honda City at saka yung all-new Honda Brio. Bro.
At ito po ako syempre yung city. So, mas sporty sila ngayon. At the same time,
Correct.
family friendly na rin.
Correct. Mas sporty sila, guys. So, if you're interested to know more about these, go check out Honda Cars Pampanga, and our sales representatives are ready to assist you.
Yeah, so yan. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and visit Honda Cars Pampanga.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.